icons and welcome back to my channel, or hello, hi if you're new here, welcome. So today's video I thought I'd throw together a monthly favourites video. I haven't done one of these in a while to round off the month of March. I literally can't believe it might be April tomorrow by the time this video goes up. So yeah, today's video is going to be a favourites video of all my favourites from skincare, hair care, makeup, just everything that I've been absolutely loving and I'm wanting to share with you. So if you're excited for this video, please give it a big thumbs up and subscribe if you're new here. I'd absolutely love it if you stick around. We've got a lot to get through, so let's get straight on into this video. So the first thing I have to mention is this diary. It's not any part of the makeup, hair or skincare part of this video, but I have to mention it. It is just a lifesaver. If you haven't already got the P.Louise Goal Getter diary, it is amazing. This has literally helped me experience gratitude in everyday life, helping organise my life more than ever, and it literally helps you set your intention for the day. So if you're struggling with sorting out your day, feeling grateful for anything, or you're feeling a little bit low or anything like that, this book is just amazing. It has Sunday reflections every single week, it has monthly reflections every single month, and it goes through your goals, whether it's health, wealth, happiness, family. It has everything this diary literally does, and I have to include it in my favourites over these past couple months because it has just been my ride or die. It is just so amazing, well worth the investment, because it is, I think it's £40 for this diary, but it's so worth it. Like, you will not regret it. This diary is just so huge. It is so girly. It is the ultimate diary that I wanted from when I was a little girl. So yeah, absolutely love this diary. It is absolutely stunning. It is so thick. It's so huge. Love it, and it is just an absolute must if you haven't already got your hands on this diary. So yeah, I had to mention this first before we get into the good stuff. So I thought I'd start off with a bit of hair care. So if you didn't already know, I suffer so badly with baby hairs, frizzy hair, unruly hair. It's just a hot mess, flyaways. So I've been testing this brand. This is the Aussie 3-Minute Miracle Moisturizer Deep Treatment. I've been loving this over the past month. It has truly transformed my hair when I use this product and the reconstruction version. I absolutely love it. Like, when I come out the shower, my hair is more smooth. It's not like a frizzy hot mess. So if you have like bad flyaways, this really helps tame them down a bit. I don't have half as many flyaways as I did before when I didn't use this product and this brand and this range. I've just been loving this product over the past month. It's so easy to use. I want to get my hands on more of these products. They're just so good. So if you haven't already tried this for like unruly hair, it is so nice. So yeah, I've just been raving about this Aussie hair care. It's so good. I absolutely love this if you got frizzy unruly hair. So since we're talking about hair, I thought I'd mention some of my heat protectants that I've been loving. So this has got to be my favourite hair protector ever. This is the Cream of Nature Argan Oil from Moroccan Strength and Shine Leave-In Conditioner. This is so lush when you want sleek, smooth hair, and I absolutely love it combined with the Beauty Works 10-in-1 Miracle Spray. These are just the perfect duo for straightening my hair, just leaving it perfectly soft, and I just love these two heat protectant sprays. And then always after when I straighten my hair and use heat protectant on it, I use this Beauty Works Anti-Frizz Serum. Again, I struggle so much with frizz, so I absolutely love popping some of this between my hands and on the ends of my hair. Be careful not to use too much of this. It is absolutely a godsend. It smells absolutely unreal. Just love the packaging, and yeah, absolutely love this Beauty Works product, which is so good for just like saving your split ends. It's just so perfect. Moving on to body care, skincare and tanning. I've got so many of these to go through. So first of all, I have been loving this product as my body moisturizer. This is the Coconut Body Moisturizer Milk. This is from Summer Feeling, I think, or was it from Dirty Works? I'm not too sure, but it is amazing. It's a spray moisturizer. I always find myself struggling to moisturize after I've got changed into my comfy, so I take this with me into the shower and I just spray this on straight after I've had a shower. It feels so amazing. It's so easy, and it's made from coconut milk, and it's just absolutely unreal. Smells divine. And fun fact, my bestie Jord actually gave me this for Christmas. I've never looked back. It's my favourite now. Thank you so much, Jord, for hooking me up with this product. Another moisturiser for keeping up my tan has to be this one. This is the Bondi Sands Everyday Gradual Tanning Milk. This is your product for preventing tiger bread scenes. You do not want that tiger bread, so keep up your gradual tan. This is just a lifesaver. It smells a dream. Coconut again. Coconut has to be my favourite scent, and it just is divine. Keeping up your tan, it's just an unreal product. And then moving on to tan, I like to use my Cheap and Cheerful tan. This is the St. Moritz tanning mousse in dark. Just a favourite for just cheap and cheerful tan. I'm not going to use my expensive tan over the lockdown series, and it's got a new look as well. This is in the tanning mousse dark. It's just so cheap and cheerful, you know, and it works. It's a fab tan once you use your Bondi Sands milk with it, and yeah, it's super easy. It gives you that really nice tan. I can't fault it, to be honest. It's just a nice, cheap and cheerful tan. Next up, moving to more skincare items, we have these three favourites I've been loving. So we have the Alia Skin. This is the pink clay mask. Just one of those favourites that I've been loving throughout this month. It is so nice, so calming. It's hydrating. This mask is so cute as well. It's pink. Pamper date with yourself on a Sunday. It's just so perfect. And yeah, I love a little face mask. Clay mask especially. It's just amazing. And then we have one of my favourites that I've mentioned quite a bit on my channel now. This is the St.tropez Self Tan Purity Bronzing Mist. It is just so good. I can't get over how good this product is. It's just so unreal, and once it builds up, it gives a really nice glow. It is just the bomb, and I definitely recommend it to absolutely anyone. I don't tan my face apart from using this mist. It is so good for no makeup days. I just spritz some on. It leaves you glowing, it leaves you bronze, and what more can you want from this product? It's just so good. Definitely rate this 1000% if you want to get it. And then the last one from this little bundle, we have the Aussie again. This is the Flora Aurora Scent Boost. So this is actually a scent boost scent for your hair, and it smells absolutely divine. I absolutely love it. So what you do is literally just spray it onto your hair, and it makes you smell like jasmine, like a jasmine Hawaiian fruit shop vibes. It's so nice. It just makes your hair smell really nice. Just gives your hair a little scent boost, or if you're just not feeling the scent of your hair. I just think this is a really cool idea, just to give your hair a perfume of its own. It's so good. And yeah, Shane likes the smell of it when I use it. So yeah, I absolutely love this one. Again, I think definitely for special occasions, because in lockdown, who else is going to smell your hair when you walk past? But I think it is a quite extra product. But again, it's just like an extra little add-on if you want to make your hair smell good. Do you know what I mean? So yeah, this product's actually amazing. So I've been absolutely rating it recently. Okay, so now let's go on to the good stuff. Makeup, palettes, a lot. So of course I'm going to be starting off with the Beauty Bay X Nikki Tutorials palette. This has just been an absolutely amazing palette. I love it. Used it on the eyes today. It's so stunning. I have been so kindly gifted this by Beauty Bay, and I'm absolutely in shock. Love this palette. It's so good, and yeah, it's a good one to have in your collection as well. It's by Nikki Tutorials and her collab with Beauty Bay. I mean, it has some beautiful shades in there as well to create a nice brown eye as well. Pop of pink, pop of blue, you've got your shimmers in here as well. It's just a really nice, awesome palette to have in your collection. And then the other little one I have is this one again by Beauty Bay. This is the 16 colour Fiery palette. I love both these palettes for their colour payoff, their pigmentation, their browns, their nudes. They're just really nice palettes. If you haven't seen what these look like, I'll link my eye for my Beauty Bay haul so you can have a look what these look like inside. But yeah, I've been absolutely loving these two palettes this month and these past few months. So next up we have a couple eye products in the makeup section. We have the Trigwell Cosmetics lashes and the brush set as well. I have the brush set in my drawers behind me. These are the Harmony and the Trigwell lashes. These lashes are just divine. They are so nice. I love how fluffy they both are, but they're two different variation of style. So the Harmony is really nice and like scattered but fluffy, and then the Trigwell is like a spiky fluffy. It's so good for dramatic looks. I love them both equally as much, and their 12-piece brush set is amazing. You can use my code Fiona10 for 10% off any of the Trigwell Cosmetics products, and I've just been absolutely obsessed with them over this month, over the past month, ever since I've got them. They're just absolutely insane. I love the holographicness of them, and yeah, I love their lashes so much. Next up we have these candy liners by Candy Cosmetics. These are neon liners and they're just so bomb. You just need a little bit of spritz from your makeup setting spray or just any hydrating spray. Give it a bit of like liquid consistency and you're good to go. They're good for festival looks or if you just want like a neon cut crease. They are just so good. Love the consistency of them. So pigmented. I've just been loving these for creative looks on my Instagram. If you aren't already following me, go follow me over there. And yeah, to see my looks I've created with these little neon liners. They're so handy. Relating from eyes, we have eyebrows. So this has been my favourite eyebrow pencil for the longest time, I swear. I keep going back to it. It's the Brow Goals. As you can tell, I have a backup here. This is by Makeup Obsession. It's in the shade dark brown. I love this pencil. It's so fine. It's so sharp. It has a spoolie with it. It is just my ride or die brow pencil. Definitely recommend this pencil. It's super affordable and I love it to death. So of course this month I had to mention the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas. I've been using this every day for the past week that I've had it. It's so unreal. I actually have a video on it if you haven't already seen my review. It's just so good. I absolutely love it. I've been using it every single day. It's a luxury product. It is amazing and it's just completely changed my makeup game. It's just so good, and of course I had to mention it in my favourites. Okay, so now we're getting serious. I'm going on to my highlighter favourites. So first off we have another product from Candy Cosmetics. This is their Pre-Glow Up Mist. I always rave about this product. It's just absolutely insane. It gives you that really nice glow. If you just want like a no makeup day but you want to look glowy, this is your product. Or if you're feeling too matte and you want a little sparkle on your skin, this is your product. Body glow, this is your product. It's just been my favourite ride or die. Got to have it all the time, grabbing it every single time for my makeup, and it's just such a good product. And just look at that glow, it's just so good. Of course I have to mention this month as well, this is the Gucci face gloss. This has just been my favourite ever since I used it again. I've been loving it. It's just an unreal product again and I absolutely love it to death. It's just one of those unique products. Again, like the Tatcha, the Silk Canvas is just so unique, and I absolutely love the highlight it gives. It's so unique, use it on the lips. It's just a gorgeous product. I've been absolutely obsessed and it's been my favourite for the longest time. With that being said, I don't think it'll ever beat my love for the iconic Love Illuminator drops. This is just a golden glow. I don't think a golden glow could be beaten by anything. They are just absolutely unreal. They're just my ride or die again. Like I said, all of these are absolutely my favourites for not only this month but literally always. But most of them I've been loving this month the most. So yeah, absolutely loving the iconic Illuminator drops. They are just so good. Absolutely love them and they are just so golden. And then last but not least from the highlighter series, we have the Anastasia Beverly Hills Vegas Loose Highlighter. This again is a golden glow. I love my golden glows. It's just an unreal highlighter. It's a loose highlight. It's so pigmented. I've been dying to get my hands on it and now I have it. It's just my favourite. Love it. It's so good. If you haven't already got it, I definitely recommend it. Love it to death. Golden highlighter is just the one. So staying on the face topic, face, we have my bronzers and blushes. So always my top bronzer nowadays has to be the H&B Cosmetics. This is the medium deep bronzer. It's just so lush, so pigmented, so creamy. It's so easy to just blend out. It is just so pigmented. I feel like I don't have to use another bronzer to contour because I always used to contour with another bronzer after I use my main bronzing bronzer, but this is just so pigmented on its own. It's so good, my ride or die. Then we have the Milani blusher. This came back into my life from Just My Look. Thank you so much, Just My Look, for restocking me up with the Milani Baked Luminoso. This is an amazing blush if you want a glowing blush. My favourite type of blush. Is so good. And then I also have this is the Coral blush if you want more of a matte blush. This is the one. Again from Beauty Bay, super cheap and cheerful. Love the pigmentation and it's just so good. And then I thought we had another highlighter. We do. This is the Beam highlighter by Beauty Bay. Again, a really nice cheap and cheerful highlighter, super pigmented, and yeah, a golden one again. I love my golden highlighters. It's getting into summer, spring, love a bit of gold highlighter. And then last but not least, we have my lip product favorites. I absolutely love seeing everyone's lip combos, so these have been my favorites this month. So for lip liners, we have these two. We have the by Beauty Bay Vintage and Toast lip liner. These are basically dupes for my Morphe Sweet Tea and my Morphe Bite Me. I thought I'd throw them in there because they're really good dupes. Toast is a good dupe for Sweet Tea, and Vintage is a really good dupe for Bite Me. They're really nice and creamy, nice formulation, easy pencil lip liner, and I absolutely love them, so they're really good ones to have a dupe for. Lipstick, we only have a cheap and cheerful one. So this is the Tea lipstick. This is basically my new favourite over the Doll Beauty Dolled Out lipstick. So yeah, absolutely loving this. Got it on today with some lip gloss over the top, and yeah, absolutely loving it. I keep grabbing it. It's just so good. Really beautiful shade. Love it. If you haven't already tried it, really do pick this one up. It's such a beautiful nude shade. Every day, going out, it's the perfect nude. And then we go into her lip gloss collection. So I've got some favourites this month. Some new, some old, some bougie. So yeah, absolutely love a good lip gloss. So I've got 4 favourites to go through with you. So we have the by Beauty Bay lip glosses. I've mentioned these on my Instagram stories and in my Get Ready With Me's. We have Candy and Slippers. Beautiful nudes. Slippers is more of like a nudie nude, and Candy is more of like a pinky nude. I like wearing Candy when it's more of like a pinky look, or if I want like an everyday look. Absolutely love Candy for that. And then we have Slippers. Slippers is such a nice nude to put on like a lip combo like this, to put it on over the top any nude like lip liner. Just throw on Slippers over the top. It is a perfect combo. So love these two by Beauty Bay. Super affordable. Love the formula, not too sticky, and yeah, love the shades as well. Super pigmented colours in these lip glosses as well. Next we have an oldie but a goodie. Favourite again, coming back this month, is the Feeling Myself lip gloss. When is this not in my monthly favourites? I don't know, but I absolutely love it. Wearing it today. It's just such a good lip gloss. Absolutely love their lip products. Their lip glosses, the formulation is spot on. Can't fault the lip gloss formulation. Got on today. It's just a super fat nude lip gloss, which is my favourite. Always until the end of time. And then last, definitely not least, has to be this product. I've mentioned it in my last few videos. This is the HN Beauty Cosmetics. This is the shade 2 Peach. This is a lip oil, and it is absolutely unreal. It's the most nourishing lip oil I've ever tried. It's super lush. I like wearing this when I have no makeup days, or as just a lip gloss over top any makeup look. It's just insane. Yeah, just insane, this formulation. Had to mention it in my favourites. I'm actually wearing their lashes from this brand as well. They're called 57A. These are super fluffy lashes. They're super extra. Love the fluffiness on them, and they go perfectly with this look. Okay, so I can finally take a chill pill. I know I rushed that super fast because I had so many things to get through. I can't believe that is March all done and dusted. We've got a new month ahead of us now. We've got the month of April, spring, summer favourites coming our way. I'm super excited to see if I find anything new that I like. I love sharing all my favourites and just stuff that's helped me throughout this month. I hope you guys enjoyed it, and let me know anything that you liked or you're going to pick up down below. I would absolutely love to know. And thank you so much for watching this video. Please smash it a big thumbs up for me if you haven't already. I appreciate it so much. I love you guys as always, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye.